Friends, today I am about to share a speech with you, and if you truly listen to it with your heart, it might just change your entire life. This is not an ordinary message. These are the words of a man who crossed an ocean of failures and still rose to become one of the most successful people in the world. Yes, my friends, I am talking about Jack Ma, a common man who understood the value of time and achieved extraordinary success. This speech isn't meant to be heard. It's meant to shake you awake. It is meant to remind you that life is not built by waiting for luck. Life is built by your decisions. So, get ready, because in the next few minutes, you are going to hear words that may change the way you think, and maybe give your life a completely new direction. Jack Ma says that time is a treasure given equally to every human being, every single day. Remember, Jack Ma called time a treasure. Whether someone is rich or poor, intelligent or slow, everyone gets 24 hours, the same 24 hours. Yet some people, with the same 24 hours, become wealthy, healthy, sharp, and powerful. And others? They waste this priceless gift on TikTok, entertainment, distractions, wasting their life without even realizing it. So the real question is, which group do you belong to? Do you spend your time improving yourself? Or are you spending your time making someone else rich, while you yourself remain stuck in the same place? Jack Ma says, "When I was young, I mean truly young, I had no money, no strong connections, no good grades. I failed in school so many times that it felt like failure was part of my name. Jack, fail, Ma." But he had one thing, time. And he understood early that if he didn't use his time wisely, he would remain poor forever. Friends, this is the biggest secret of the world. If you don't learn how to use your time to make yourself better, then you will always work for someone who has learned this skill. And that's not wrong. But if you want freedom, progress, transformation, then you must respect your time even more than you respect your money. Because here's the truth. Your time is far more valuable than your money. You can lose money and earn it again. But if time slips away once, it will never return. Life has no undo button, no pause button. This is not Microsoft Word where you can reverse anything you want. Young people today say they want work-life balance. They say they need rest. They need holidays. They feel burned out. But wait, balance? Between what? Poverty and laziness? If you are poor and say, "I need my weekend to rest. I want to party. I want to enjoy." Remember this. Jeff Bezos is sitting in his office reading about quantum computers. Elon Musk is watching physics and rocket engineering videos. And you? You are partying. They are preparing. You should enjoy life, yes. But if your life is average, if you don't have much money, then there is no need to celebrate so much. Work now, so you can live peacefully later. If you relax now, you will regret it later. If your boss fires you today, can you still earn the same money tomorrow? If your degree or certificate disappears, will you still have the same value in the market? These are the real questions. School gave you a piece of paper, but life doesn't care about that paper. Life cares about what you can do. If you know how to sell, you will never die hungry. If you know how to write, you will always find a path. So learn a skill. Today, everything is free. YouTube, Facebook, online courses. You can learn anything. But if you still aren't learning, then what's stopping you? Netflix, TikTok. Every time you say, "I don't have time," check your screen time. Don't lie to yourself. Look at how much time you are wasting as if you have unlimited life. If you spend just 1 hour a day learning something new, just 1 hour, in 1 year, you will become smarter than 90% of your friends. Remember, the world is changing fast. If you're not moving forward, you're going backward. It's like standing on a downward escalator. If you stand still, you go down. The only way up is to move, even slowly. Success doesn't come from giant leaps. It comes from small steps taken every single day. You don't need to read 50 books in 1 day. Just read 10 pages daily. You don't need to become a millionaire in 1 month. Just increase your income little by little. You don't need to be perfect. Just be consistent. Don't quit. Keep moving with discipline. And here is the most important part. If you want success, greatness, stop chasing exciting things and start embracing boredom. People say some tasks are boring, but real magic happens when you work, especially when nobody is watching. You think I did interesting things every day? Absolutely not. My success came from doing boring things, writing emails, memorizing English words, reading business books, standing in front of a mirror practicing speeches. These things are boring, but essential. If you can do boring things with discipline, your life will become exciting. But if you only chase excitement, your life will become boring. Some people say, "I can't wake up early." And anyway, what difference does waking up early make? Remember, success doesn't care when you wake up, but discipline does. I always tell young people, wake up before your excuse wakes up. If your excuse wakes up at 8, you wake up at 7:30. If your laziness starts speaking at 9, silence it at 8. Show your mind who the real boss is. If you want a better life, you must fight for it every single day. Success, respect, fame, these don't come from luck. You earn them through habits, effort, sweat, and pain. Motivation is like taking a bath. You need it daily, but it doesn't last long. Discipline is like a muscle. It grows stronger with time. Jack Ma says, "You think I was always motivated when I started Alibaba? Never. I was scared, confused, broke, but I had discipline. I woke up, worked, failed, got up again, worked again." So build discipline. People say they are waiting for the right time, but the truth is, the right time never comes. There is no perfect moment. You create the right time. The moment you have right now, this is your best time. So the question is, what will you do? Will you keep waiting for the right moment, or will you create the right moment yourself? Successful people are not slaves of luck. They are slaves of their decisions. Remember, the one who takes a step today, tomorrow the world remembers his footsteps. If you waste today thinking, tomorrow you won't even have time to think. Every moment of time screams, "Catch me, or I will pass," and become your life. In the end, victory belongs to the one who doesn't wait to start, but starts now.